Hi student. Yesterday we have learned up to equal set. Today we will discuss about the next topic of sets. Let's start our class. First topic is subset. What is subset? A set is called subset of another set when all elements of the said set are remain present in the another set. Then we called the set is the subset of the another set. By some example we can define it. Okay, let a set A, okay, it has some element A, E, I, O, U, okay. Then another set B where A, E, I, O, U, Z, okay. Now all the elements of A are present in B, okay. Then we may say that A subset B. This is the subset sign, okay. But here vice versa, B is not a subset of A. Why? Because the element of B, all the element of B are not present in A, okay, are not the elements of A. So here B not subset. This sign is called not subset, okay, A. Understand? So by this definition we can write A is the element of A if A subset of B, then we can write A belong to B, okay. This condition must be followed, okay. A equal to A is a set but the elements are A, B, C, okay, and B also the another set A, B, C. Here we can say A subset B, okay, implies B subset A. All the elements of B are present in A, so B subset A, okay. Here, so we may write this sign is called implies, okay. So this sign is called 2A implies. We can write A equal to B, the equal set, okay. Now point to be noted, for any set the set is the subset of itself, okay. What is the meaning of this sentence? Any set, let A is a set, then we can write a subset of A. Okay? This is most important. It should be remembered. Okay. Then we have learned in previous session phi set but null set. Okay. Null set, that is phi. Phi is a subset of any set. Phi is a subset of any set. Okay. These points are most important. Other example are Q, set of rational number, subset of R. R is stand for the set of real number. Okay. Let A and B are two sets. Okay. And A subset B and A not equal to B. Then in this case A is called proper subset of B. Okay, proper subset. And B is called superset of from this MCQ may become. Okay, so this is also important. Let another example. A is a set who has a single element. Okay, then the set is called singleton set. Okay, so what is the definition of singleton set? If any set has only one element, then the set is called singleton set. Okay, that is the example. Look at this question. There is fourth set, and then says insert symbol subset or not subset between the following pair of set. So we have to fill the blanks with these symbols. Okay. So look at the first question. Phi. Here phi. Subset of B. Phi is a subset of any set we have learned previously. Okay. Then phi subset B. Then look at A and B. A 1 and 3. B 1 and 3 are not present in B. So A not subset B. Then look at A and C. A 1 3 1 3 present in C. Then A subset C. Okay. Then look at B and C. 1 5 9 1 5 9 are present in C. Then B subset C. So here is the answer. Okay. This type of question may be solved in this way. Okay. Please see in the question. It is very important question. Okay. Let ABC are the three sets and A belong to B and B subset of C. Then is it true that A subset C? If not, give an example. So for solution, firstly we have to assume the sets. Okay. Let A equal to 1. Okay. Then we have assume B set. B equal to as A belong to B, then the element of B is A. So we write this. Okay. Then 2 3. Okay. And C equal to as B is a subset of C, so we can assume all the elements of B are the element of C and extra. Okay. Assumption are complete. Now here the element of A. What is the element of A? 1 is not present in C. This is A set, but not the element 1. Very careful in this situation. Okay. So the elements of A is not present in C. So A not subset C. Okay. Subsets of real number. Okay. In this topic, we already know that R is the sets of all real number. Okay. There can be rational and irrational. Okay. So R. So we can write rational Q. We can represent the sets of all rational number by Q. So Q is a subset of R. Irrational number. The sets of all irrational number are denoted by T. So T also subset of R. Okay. Now some relation between the sets. This is most important. We know N, sets of all natural number, subset of Z, set of all integer. Then Z also subset of Q. Integer can be represented by P by Q. Okay, but Q not equal to 0. Then Q is a subset of R. Okay, and T also the subset of R. This is very important. Okay. Now we will discuss about this topic, intervals as subset of R. Okay. Let AB belong to R. A less than B. Then the set of real number can be expressed as Y colon A less than Y less than B. Okay. Is called open interval. Okay. And denoted by within first bracket A comma B. Okay. Here all the points between, all points mean all the real number between A and B are belong to this interval. So all the points between A and B are belong to this interval, but A and B are not belong to this interval. Okay. All the elements except A and B are belong to this interval. Okay. just see here in open interval. In open interval, the endpoints mean A and B are not present in the interval. So the interval which contain the endpoints also is called closed interval and denoted by third bracket, within third bracket A comma B. Okay. Then this set can be expressed as y colon A less equal to y less equal to B. Okay. This 2 point is very much important. Okay. Besides these two types of intervals, we have two other intervals. Look at this board. Let we write A comma B, then third bracket. There is first bracket in beginning and third bracket at last. Okay. So the open interval from A to close interval B. Here, look at this point. Okay. This can be expressed as y colon A less than y lesser equal to B. Okay. Another type also exists, A comma B within first bracket. Okay. Here the close interval from A to open interval B. Okay. So it can be expressed as y within second bracket colon A less equal to y less than B. Okay. So we have got 4 types of intervals. Okay. Only in real number these intervals are exist. Okay. We have seen intervals as AB, AB, AB and AB. Here B minus A. This number is called the length of any of the above 4 intervals. Short question maybe come from this. Okay. B minus A is the length of any of these intervals. Okay. Now we'll learn about universal set. What is universal set? Let we have used the sets of natural number n. Okay. We have used in natural number there are rational number, in natural number there are even natural number, odd natural number. Okay. So we have learned about the basic set this called basic set. Okay, and these are the subset. Okay, so the basic set is the universal set. Okay, from this will be exist. Okay, so this basic set is called universal set. Okay, if we take another example such as R is a set of real number, there are some subset like Q, rational number, T, irrational number. These are the subset, but this is the basic set. So R is the universal set. Okay, clear? We will practice the exercise number 1.3 of NCERT textbook. Okay, let's look exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Here give the proper symbol subset or not subset. Okay. Question number 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are two sets. Okay. Is this set the subset of this set? Yes, obviously. 2, 3, 4 are exist in this set. So this is the subset of second set. First set is the subset of second set. Next question. Next question is the same pattern. So next question. Next question is the homework. Okay. Now third question. X is a student of class XI of your school. Okay. Then another set is X is student of your school. Okay. Here in first set, X is a student of class XI of your school. In your school, class 11 is exist. Okay. Under school, class 11 is exist. So the student of class 11 is a student of your school. Here the second set, there X is student of your school. So the first set is subset of second set. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6, 7 are same type. 4, 5, 6 and 7 are all same type. So these are the homework. Okay. Question number 2. Tell true or false. Okay. Number 1. AB not subset BCA. Sorry, not subset. But look at this two sets AB are present in second set. So it is obviously subset of this set. So it is a false statement. So this is false. Okay. Second, Here X is equal to AE. Subset of X is vowel of English alphabet. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So AE belong to this set. So this is the subset of this set. So this statement is true. Okay. Next, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the same types. Okay, so this is the homework. So in this exercise we have some homework. Please practice at home. Okay, then comment in our channel. Now look at this. Within brackets 3/4 subset of A. But it is not true. So it is incorrect. Why? As there is no 3 or 4 element. So it is incorrect. Then within brackets 3/4 belong to A. It is right because this, okay, this is right. 3 within bracket 3/4 subset of A. Okay, this is also correct. Then 1 belong to A. 1 exists in A. Then this is right. 1 subset of A. It is incorrect. Why? Because 1 is not a set, 1 is an element. Okay. Then 1 to 5 subset of A. 1 to 5. This says content 1 to 5 and 1 to 5 also exist in A. So this is true. Okay. Then within second bracket, this set belong to A. It is incorrect. As this is the set. This set is not exist in A. So this is incorrect. Then 8. Within brackets 1 to 3 subset A. 1 to 3. There is only 1 and 2. So this is incorrect. Okay. 5 belong to A. 5 not belong to A. There is no 5. So this is incorrect. 5 is subset of A. Obviously we have earlier known that 5 is a subset of every set. So 5 is a subset of A, right? Then the set 5 subset of A. This is incorrect. 5 is a subset of A, but within second bracket 5 is a set. This is not subset of A. Okay? Now, for this case, the subsets are, here element is 1. Then 5 is universal subset, 5 and A. Okay? These two are the subset of set A. Okay? Then for this case, 5 universal set, then A is a subset, every element is a subset, then B is a subset, then AB is the subset. Okay? And for this case, 5 is universal set, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 are the subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of subsets. Here 4 number of subset. And 5, only 5 is the subset. 1 number of subset. Okay, clear? We have sometimes ago learned that this type of interval here is open interval and here is closed interval. So this can be represented as minus 4 comma 6. Okay, here two endpoints are in open interval, so this can be represented as minus 12 comma minus 10. Okay, the solution here is closed interval and here is open interval, so this can be expressed as 0 comma 7 first bracket. Okay, close. Question number 4. This also close, this is the close interval and this also the close interval, so we can write this as 3 comma 4. Okay, within third bracket. So for this first case, we write this as x colon x belong to R, comma these endpoints are within open interval. So minus 3 less than x less than 0. This is the set builder form of question number 1. Then question number 2. This can be written as x colon x belong to R and 6 less equal to x less equal to 12. Okay, because of these endpoints are within closed interval. Now question number 3. Here x colon x belong to R and 6 less than x lesser equal to 12, as 12 is within closed interval and 6 in open interval. Okay, so this is the solution of 3. Now solution number 4. This can be written as x colon x belong to R minus 23 lesser equal to x less than 5. Okay, clear? Question number 7. What universal sets would you propose for the following sets? Okay, question number 1. The sets of all right triangle. 2. The sets of all isolated triangle. So look at this two questions. They are right triangle and isolated triangle. It is the part of the sets of triangle. So the universal set must be the sets of triangle. Okay, clear? So please look at this question. A 135, B 246, C 02468. So now we have to find the universal set of ABC. Okay. So the universal set should be must be contain all of the elements. Okay. Not repeatedly, uniquely or distinctly. Okay, so we have to find what the all numbers are present. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, let's see 6, here 8, but here 8 is not present, so this is not universal set. 5, we know 5 is not universal set. Let 3 0 is present. Okay, 1 is present, 2 is present, here also 2, 3 is present, 3, 4 is present, 4, 5 also present, 6 also present, 7, 8, 9, 8 also present. So this is the universal set. Okay, and this is not, here 0 is not present. Okay, so this type of question maybe came in your board exam or MCQ may become. Okay, that's all for today. We will discuss about the Venn diagram, intersection of set, union of sets, difference of set, and complementary of set, and so much. And we will do some exercise, miscellaneous exercise as per NCERT guideline. So don't miss our class. Thank you for watching our class.